In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Handbrake to compress video efficiently. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to download and install Handbrake. You can find it easily through a quick web search and follow the simple installation prompts. Once you have it installed, launch the Handbrake application. You should be greeted by a window with options to get started right away. Next, to add your video file, click the open source button at the top, or simply drag and drop your video file directly into the main window. Handbrake supports a wide range of file types, so you shouldn't have any trouble with compatibility. Handbrake offers a variety of presets that are designed to simplify the compression process for you. These are located on the right side of the window. If you're looking for a balance between speed and quality, the fast 1080p30 preset is an excellent starting point. However, if you're aiming for smaller file sizes and are willing to compromise on resolution, very fast 480p30 or fast 480p30 might be more suitable. Now let's head over to the video settings tab. Here you'll notice a section labelled codec. H.264, X.264 is often the best choice because it is both common and efficient, maintaining quality while minimizing file size. Frame rate is another critical setting. You can choose same as source to maintain the original frame rate, or adjust it based on the specific needs of your video, especially if it contains a lot of action scenes. One vital setting under the video tab is constant quality, denoted by RF. This range affects the quality and file size. Lower RF values mean higher quality and, as a result, larger file sizes. Conversely, higher RF values decrease quality but also reduce file size. An RF value around 20/2 is generally a good compromise. Lastly, pay attention to the encoder preset. Selecting fast provides a good compromise between speed and compression efficiency. However, if you have more time and want potentially better results, experimenting with slower settings might be worthwhile. Moving on to the audio tab, you can make adjustments here too. Lowering the bitrate can help reduce file size, but always be mindful of potential impacts on audio quality. A bitrate of 192 kbps or lower is usually a safe point for maintaining decent audio fidelity. When you're ready to save your compressed video, click Browse to select a folder and specify a file name. You can also click Add to Queue if you plan to compress multiple videos sequentially. Once you've set everything up, click Start Encode to begin the compression process. Handbrake will handle the rest, providing you with a more storage-friendly video by the end. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to compressing video files using Handbrake. Happy editing.